how to create back to top button in your Shopify store. It's gonna be very easy and simple step. We're gonna use app from Shopify App Store, the app called Section Store. As you can see, this is the best app that we can find. As you can see, they have good reviews here, more than 2000 good reviews and good ratings. You can read the reviews here, and then it's also free to install. I have put the link in the description. You can just click it and I will get 20% commission. And now you can just click install here. I have already installed it, so I can just click open. And then as you can see, it will be in this page. And actually I have added my template for back to top to my theme. So in order to do that, you can just click explore all section here. And then you can search back to top and you will find some of them. We're gonna use the free one. I have chose this one, and then you can just click get free section. After that, you will get the section in your uh, page, in this page, and then you can just click add to theme and choose your live theme. After you add it, you can just click customize in and choose your live theme. After that, you will be redirected to your theme editor, and this is my theme editor. And I want to add the back to top button in my home page. You can just go to your footer in the left side of your sidebar and then click add section here. And then you will find all of your templates. And we're gonna add the back to top number 3 here. You can click plus, and then you will see the back to top button in your right side. And you can, customize it and change the position, maybe on the left or on the center. And also you can set up the style, the size, and the background color and everything here. You can customize it as you want. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.